Hey everyone, it's Patty. So I just got back from grocery shopping at Aldi. It's not my regular grocery shopping trip. I did a big Walmart grocery pickup last week where I bought a lot of stuff, and then this was more in preparation for Mother's Day weekend. We're doing like a Mother's Day brunch, and then I also bought a bunch of snacks. Well, the kids have a lot of snacks anyways, but I bought a bunch of snacks from Aldi because we are going to be going to Disney in a few days. We just go for the day, but we pack a bunch of food, so I needed some stuff for that too. I am gonna leave in the description box meal plan for the week, so you guys know those, and any recipes that are online, I'll make sure I link them. And then I'm also gonna put the menu that I have set up for Mother's Day brunch, just in case you're looking for like brunch ideas. I'm gonna leave that in the description box, so make sure you look at those recipes there. So let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you what I got from Aldi. Okay, so like I said, I got the kids a bunch of snacks. Some are for home and some are for our trip. So I got 2 of the penguin bake. Those always travel really well when we go to Disney. Some of the white cheddar puffs, some plantain chips, and then we also have a bunch of doctor's appointments right now. So I picked these up for one of the, tomorrow we actually have a doctor's appointment and dance class, so I thought this would help us get through our day. So I got one for each of the kids. Then I got this in mind for Disney. My kids are obsessed with olives, so I got them a jar of olives. Sometimes I'll give that like as a side with their lunch. I got chocolate chips just to have on my baking stash with Mother's Day coming up and also Father's Day. I figured it's just good to have on hand. I got a bunch of applesauces for the kids. I got apple strawberry, apple peach, and apple cinnamon. Then I also got them these elevation bars. They really like these. So I got the oats and honey with coconut for my son. And then my daughter loves the peppermint stick ones. And these are supposed to be like a little bit healthier than like your regular fruit bars or granola bars or whatever. Got avocado oil and extra virgin olive oil. These are both significantly less expensive at Costco. But I don't know when I'm going, and we were completely out. So I went ahead and picked them up. I got a whole bunch of fruit pouches for my 16-month-old. They're like fruit and veggie pouches. I give her like one of these a day. I have some alfredo sauce that I want to use, so I picked up just some like linguine, and I'll do that with like chicken and onions and garlic and mix in like spinach. I always have spinach on hand in the freezer because we'll buy like fresh spinach that goes bad, so I just stick it in the freezer. So we always have frozen spinach. I got these kind of in mind for Disney and for home. I got the cheese crackers and peanut butter. I got some K-cups. They're super cheap at Aldi. Like I said, I'm doing a brunch for Mother's Day, and then we have scrambled eggs almost every day for breakfast. So I got 4 cartons of eggs for that. And then this was like a total spontaneous purchase, but 2 of my kids love mac and cheese, so I thought this would be really fun for them. So I got this for them, mac and puppies. I got some paper towel. This looked really good. It's the like LaCroix brand for Aldi, and this one's pineapple strawberry, so I thought that looked really good. And then we never buy juice, but I got it for the brunch. It's just like orange juice, and then I got half and half for coffee. And then I bought most of the stuff for the brunch last week, but there were a few things I needed to pick up, so I wanted to get a little bit more heavy cream because a few of the recipes include heavy cream. I'm making like a bacon spinach quiche and another quiche and a few things that need heavy cream, so I wanted to get some extra. And then I got 3 things of organic whole milk because my youngest drinks whole milk often. She's 16 months, so she drinks a lot of whole milk. Then I got 2% for the rest of us, and we still have, like I said, I did a big grocery shopping trip, so we still have coconut milk and regular milk on hand. I just wanted one more. Then I got these as a treat for the kids. I'll probably give them 1 set this week and then save the others for Disney. And then this, Full-Time Wife Life mentions how she stretches out ground beef with black beans, and I've been doing that ever since she mentioned it, and it tastes really good. So I totally went to get the black beans, and I don't know where my hand shifted, but I bought pink beans. I don't know what happened, but I realized it once I was paying, and I just ended up getting them. So we'll see what I do with those. got bananas. These I got for my youngest for like lunch for her. I got Greek yogurt for the brunch, and then my son will eat it. He really likes yogurt. And then I got some onions, some of these. Once the produce starts to go bad, I really like to have these, and I like to have these for Disney. Grapes, we're gonna do breakfast for dinner one of the nights, so I got these hash browns. And then, like I mentioned, we have some doctor's appointments, so on those days I really don't have time to do like eggs and like a bigger breakfast, so we just do waffles. Chris is making me like specialty burgers for Mother's Day, so I picked up some brioche buns for the burgers, then some bread. We still have a bunch like bread in the freezer. I just wanted an extra loaf for Disney. This is for the brunch. If you guys have not tried these are amazing and a lot cheaper than where other stores would sell them. And whatever is left over we'll save for our Disney trip, because these are great for like breakfast in the car. And then it's just like a chocolate, like a French bread with chocolate inside. And then I got a ton of strawberries. We fly through strawberries. My youngest is like obsessed with them. And then I also got them for the yogurt with the brunch to do kind of like parfaits. And then I got blueberries too. Then I got bacon, one for like the spinach quiche, and then one to just have on hand for like the specialty burgers and breakfast, and we'll split it for a few things. Then I got some ground beef, some chicken breasts, and then some chicken thighs. And I'll let you know what I do with these in the description box with my meal plan. Like I said, I did a bigger grocery shopping trip last week with Walmart, so this was kind of fillers and then getting the things we needed for, some of the things we need for Disney. I'll be going back to the store one more time for Disney, and then I have everything now that I need for Mother's Day. So definitely make sure you check the description box. Also, let me know, what are you doing for Mother's Day? What are some of your favorites to enjoy? I always love this time of year and celebrating moms. If you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being awesome to your kids. Hopefully you are awesome. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you next time. Bye.